You could be anything in Nigeria. That is the beauty of our citizenship, the rich diversity. And it's not only Nigerians that celebrate the beauty of our citizenship. There are so many people outside Nigeria who want to become citizens of Nigeria. But the question becomes, how do we open the doors? And that is the work of the Parliament. Today, in this episode, I'll be discussing the subject matter of citizenship as it has to do with constitutional amendment. As you all know, in today's global economy, citizenship is no longer defined by birth or marriage alone. Increasingly, countries are rethinking how nationality can reflect commitment, contribution, and shared economic growth. That is the contents behind this proposed constitutional amendment bill on citizenship. Nigeria's constitutional amendment currently is looking at the Nigerian constitution that provides limited and, in more important respect, uneven pathway to citizenship by registration. The existing framework has raised legitimate concern around fairness, around consistency, and clarity, particularly in how it treats spouses of Nigerian citizens, and in whether it equips Nigeria to engage strategically with the global economy or not. The constitutional review seeks to address these by expanding and standardizing spousal citizenship rights. It proposes that any person who is or has been married to a Nigerian citizen may qualify, regardless of gender, provided they have continuously resided in Nigeria for at least 5 years. The bill introduces a new and forward-looking framework, and I like this. It is citizenship by investment. It proposes a constitutional basis that allows the National Assembly to create laws granting citizenship to qualified foreign nationals who make substantial investment in Nigeria's economy. Critically, the bill builds in strict safeguards. Security and integrity screening will be mandatory. Individuals with criminal records, links to terrorism or money laundering, or those unable to demonstrate legitimate sources of funds will be expressly excluded. The bill also provides for revocation of citizenship where fraud is discovered or where conduct becomes harmful to national interests. The gate is open, but it is not unguarded. So in practical terms, these reforms could reshape how Nigeria engages with the world. What these bills speak to is a modernization of citizenship law, balancing national identity with global realities, and making Nigeria's constitutional framework more responsive to both human relationships as well as economic opportunities. Citizenship is not merely a legal status. It is a covenant between an individual and a nation. These proposals seek to make that covenant more just, more inclusive, and more strategically aligned with the Nigeria that you and I are building.